I am going to make an omelet in my Dash mini griddle. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So what I have here is some chopped up red onion. It's maybe like a 1/4 cup of chopped onion. I also have some chopped green bell pepper, maybe a 1/4 cup. These are 1/2 cup bowls, so maybe a 1/3 cup of green peppers. I have 1 slice of bacon that has been cooked and crumbled, and then I have 1 beaten egg. I'm also heating up my Dash mini griddle. So the first thing I want to do is I want to cook up the onions and the peppers. So I'm going to add those to the griddle. So I did not measure anything beforehand. All these are estimates, and looks like there's going to be a lot of veggies here, so hopefully they're going to cook down. But I do like a lot of veggies. I'm not a meat eater at all. So here's all the veggies piled on. I'm going to shut this, and let's come back in 5 minutes. So right now it's been 3 minutes, and I want to check on the veggies. This is how they look. They're really browning a lot. No, I did not add any butter or oil. This is a non-stick griddle. I'm being very careful with using a metal fork on it. I just want to kind of mix everything up a little bit. Okay. So let's cover this. Let's cover this and finish cooking for another 2 minutes. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes, so let's open this up. Vegetables look like they're getting soft. I want the onions to be translucent. Oh, it's really packed. I'm going to add the crumbled bacon. Let's cover that and let's cook that for a minute. Okay, a minute has gone by. Everything's looking really yummy. The bacon is nice and warm now. The veggies have continued to cook. So now I'm actually going to add the beaten egg. I'm just going to pour the egg in the middle. I'm going to let that move around where it wants to go. You see the sides? It's just about overflowing. So let's try to move some of this over if we can. And I'm going to add one other thing, and that is some dried parsley. There, I like herbs on my omelets or in my omelets. And so let's cook this for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is just about up, and this smells so good. I wish you could smell this. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so let's open this up and see if it's done. Wow, and that's what it looks like. Look how awesome that is. How easy is it going to come out? And there we have it. And that is how you can make a really nice omelet in a Dash mini griddle. Let's cut into this, shall we? Look how yummy this omelet looks with the green peppers and the red onion and the parsley and the bacon. There's so much color going on here. Okay, so now let's taste this. You can add salt and pepper if you like. I just want to taste it without any. Wow, that's really good. It's super flavorful, and the veggies are nice and soft. They're not crunchy at all. The bacon is chewy and salty. And I love the herbal flavor of the parsley. I'd probably add a little bit of hot sauce to this and enjoy it that way. Some people might want to add some salt and pepper, but this is really good. I'm definitely going to enjoy this as a brunch today. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, please give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.